There is a mysterious creature living in the deep, silent waters of the world's oceans, a creature so intelligent, flexible, and unusual that it almost seems like it belongs to another planet rather than Earth. Gliding between rocks, disappearing into coral, and blending perfectly with its surroundings, this animal has fascinated scientists and explorers for centuries. That extraordinary creature is the octopus. Octopuses are soft-bodied marine animals with no bones at all. Unlike most creatures, they do not have a skeleton to support their bodies. The only hard part they possess is a small, sharp beak hidden beneath their arms. Because of this incredible flexibility, an octopus can squeeze through almost any space larger than its beak. Imagine fitting your entire body through a hole the size of your eye. For an octopus, that is completely possible. This ability makes them true escape artists of the ocean. One of the most astonishing facts about octopuses is that they have 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts pump blood to the gills to collect oxygen, while the third sends oxygen-rich blood throughout the rest of the body. But here is something even more surprising: when an octopus swims, the heart that supplies blood to the body actually stops beating. Swimming becomes exhausting for them, which is why they usually prefer crawling along the ocean floor using their arms rather than moving through open water. And their blood is not red like ours, it is blue. Instead of iron, octopus blood contains copper-based proteins that help transport oxygen. This unique adaptation allows them to survive in extremely cold and low-oxygen environments deep beneath the sea, where many other animals could not. Octopuses are often described as having 9 brains. While this is not literally true, it is close enough to be astonishing. They have one central brain, but each of their 8 arms contains a massive network of neurons. This means their arms can sense, explore, and react almost independently. An arm can touch something and respond before the central brain fully processes what is happening. In a way, their entire body can think. Their intelligence is considered the highest among all invertebrates. Scientists have watched octopuses solve puzzles, open tightly sealed jars, escape from tanks, and even use tools. Some have learned through observation, remembering solutions and applying them later. There are documented cases of octopuses recognizing individual humans and behaving differently toward them, showing curiosity toward some and avoidance toward others. Another ability that makes octopuses legendary is their mastery of camouflage. Their skin contains special pigment cells that allow them to change color in the blink of an eye. But they do more than just shift colors, they can alter the texture of their skin to resemble rocks, coral, or sand. Within seconds, an octopus can go from clearly visible to nearly invisible. Some species can even mimic other marine animals to scare off predators. If camouflage fails, they have another defense strategy. When threatened, an octopus releases a cloud of dark ink into the water. This ink creates a smoky screen that confuses predators and blocks their vision, giving the octopus precious seconds to escape. In some cases, the ink even dulls the predator's sense of smell, making pursuit much harder. Despite being skilled hunters, octopuses must constantly remain alert. Sharks, large fish, dolphins, and seabirds all see them as prey. Survival in the ocean requires intelligence, speed, and adaptability, qualities the octopus possesses in abundance. When it comes to hunting, the octopus is both patient and precise. It feeds on crabs, shellfish, small fish, and other marine animals. Using hundreds of powerful suction cups, it grips its prey firmly so there is almost no chance of escape. Its sharp beak can crack hard shells, and some species even inject venom to immobilize their catch. Perhaps one of the most incredible abilities an octopus has is regeneration. If it loses an arm while escaping a predator, it does not mean the end. Over time, the arm grows back, fully formed, fully functional, complete with nerves and suction cups. Nature has equipped them with a remarkable self-repair system. Yet for all their power and intelligence, octopuses live surprisingly short lives. Most species survive only 1 to 3 years. Toward the end of her life, a female octopus lays thousands of tiny eggs and dedicates herself entirely to protecting them. She cleans them, guards them, and keeps water flowing over them so they receive enough oxygen. During this period, she often stops eating completely. By the time the eggs hatch, she is usually too weak to survive. It is one of the ocean's most profound examples of sacrifice, a mother giving everything for the next generation. Octopuses are not just fascinating creatures, they are vital to the balance of marine ecosystems. As both predators and prey, they help regulate populations and maintain the natural order beneath the waves. Without them, the delicate harmony of ocean life could be disrupted. The more scientists study octopuses, the more mysterious they seem. Their intelligence challenges what we think we know about animal brains. Their flexibility defies what we believe bodies can do. Their behavior suggests curiosity, awareness, and even personality. So the next time you think about the deep ocean, remember that somewhere in that vast blue world, an octopus is quietly crawling across the seabed, solving problems, changing colors, and watching its surroundings with remarkable awareness. It is not just another sea creature, it is one of nature's most extraordinary masterpieces, a living reminder that our planet is still full of wonders waiting to be discovered.